What's up, everybody? Real quick bike check. It's been a little bit since I've done a bike check, so it's a few things that have changed. I have this beautiful custom made Garmin mount for this Nitto Pearl 11 stem made by Ji-woon Choi, an amazing Korean cycling student from Japan who's now building frames into the fixie scene. Check him out on Instagram. Rocking 4917 right now. Always orange chain rings. Rocking the Sylvan track pedals. All city double straps. Mashed nylon toe clips. Really liking these actually. I figured out if you just wear really thin shoes, like very low profile shoes, not chunky shoes, and you run these super tight, they honestly work perfectly. Thompson, C-Post. I don't have to say everything else, and I don't feel like it because it's kind of all the same. 28 gator skin in the back, 25 in the front. I would run a 28 in the front, but I can't. Yeah, that's the bike.